everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be continuing my decades makeup series. We're doing 80s glam rock. If you couldn't already tell, I think I look pretty 80s. It's freaking fantastic. So if you want to see how to create this look, then just keep on watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a big thumbs up if you like what you're about to see. All right, let's get into the look. Alright, so I have my hair up because I'm just going to do my hair later on in the video. I'm going to focus on makeup first. So basically to look glam rock 80s, you need a ton of jewelry. If your necklaces aren't all tangled up after you're done with this look, then you didn't do it right. For the 80s, we're going to start out with some like super bushy eyebrows. I'm going to use my Urban Decay brow blade. First of all, fill in the little gaps that we have going on here. Okay, so that's about all I'm gonna do for like filling in the gaps. So for the brows, I'm gonna go and just start drawing in hairs. And I'm gonna go all throughout. And then at this part of the brow, I'm gonna take it down a little bit here. Okay, so we're wild and bushy. So let's go into this palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here and just go over the whole eyelid kind of. Any kind of shimmery shade will work. And just with the other eye here. I'm going to go with my black liner because black liner is always a thing. So I'm gonna just, first of all, tight line my waterline here because we're gonna be putting lashes on. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my liner kind of all over my lid here. And we're gonna be smudging it around, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to, first of all, just take this, kind of smudge it a little bit with my finger. I like doing that. And then with this little smudger brush, we're just gonna start smudging away. Using the brush that I used to blend. And I'm gonna put that eyeshadow over top of that and really just smoke it out here. So we're darkening it up. My black eyeshadow is from the Jeffree Star Cremated palette. And then with a different sized brush, kind of like this size brush, I'm gonna take a tiny bit more black and just work that in on the top edges of that liner. I am going to be adding some blue eyeliner. This is from NYX. It's kind of like a metallic blue shade. It's really pretty looking. I'm just gonna put this kind of like in this area of the eye. Ooh, I can already tell that looks pretty cool. I'm just kind of stamping that on right now. And then I will be blending that. And then I'm just gonna blend that. Fingers crossed it blends out nicely. I think blendy, blendy, blendy. All right, so now with the Jeffree Star Cremated palette, I am going to go in with some of Angel of Death. And we're just gonna brush that onto the black actually, just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. So it's gonna give it a little bit of sparkle. And then I'll do maybe a little bit of Mortuary Beautician, just right in on this part. Oh yeah, oops, ow, don't poke yourself in the eye. A little bit of that on here. I'm gonna do a light dusting of, dare I say it, the pink shade. Let's do it here in the crease. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I like that. And then kind of feather it out. I'm just focusing all the intensity into like the crease area and the front part. We're gonna use the black eyeliner that I used from Makeup Forever. So we're really just gonna go in the waterline here. And then all around the eye. We're gonna just smudge that all around. Okay, now we're gonna add some more blue in there. I'm gonna put it over here. Yeah, we're just gonna stick to like the inner corner of the eye. We're gonna go in with this blending tool right here and just blend that out. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to do some black jewels on the eyes. I'm gonna place them like here. So I got these black jewels on Amazon and yeah, I'm pretty obsessed. Okay, so that's that side with the rhinestones. I think they look really cool. So yeah, they just come in like a little pack like this. And it comes with a tool like that, which I think is awesome. Next, we're gonna move on to, I'm gonna do a tiny bit of bronzer just to contour my face, even though they did not really use bronzer that much. I just wanna look a little more contoured. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Bare Minerals Faux Tan bronzer. Now we're gonna do blushes. I have two blush options. I'm probably gonna use both of them, I don't know, because blush was huge. This is my Essence blush. It's the Mosaic blush. It's a really pretty shade. And I'm just gonna really hit the tops of my cheeks with this. And I'm gonna really liberally apply it. Like so. You want it to look really rosy. Then maybe I'll just do a bit of this peach one because it's just a really intense color. Let's just make it even more intense because why the hell not? All right, so I'm gonna go with purple lips today. I'm using my Essence lip liner. This is the lip contour. I'm gonna do a really intense Cupid's bow. And then kind of go like that. Now I'm using my MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Strong Woman. Perfect. So this is like a really intense purple. Not a shade I would normally wear, but for today we're gonna do it. This is such an 80s color, oh my gosh. Now just to make it a little more rocker, I don't know why, but I'm gonna put on this red glitter lip gloss. I think it'll just add a little bit of pop to it. I feel a rocker. But this is the makeup. So I'm gonna do my hair real quick. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm just taking this wand. You might have seen it in my last video if you watched it. But, ow, that's hot, be careful. But I'm just taking it and I'm just kind of randomly going through my hair, picking and pulling pieces and then kind of holding them down for a little bit. Just like that. So it's getting a lot of texture. I did the front piece. Might do like this piece as well. Just like one of them. So you want a lot of texture. I'm gonna give it a light dusting of hairspray. This hairspray is not Stronghold. It's just very misty, but it does add a bit of texture to the hair, but it's definitely not 80s. I'm gonna take my back combing comb, get these at Sally's Beauty, and I'm gonna start back combing the effing heck out of these bangs. Okay. Then you want to kind of brush it out a little bit, kind of fan it. Now I have this hairspray here. This is a more of a intense hairspray. So I'm gonna kind of hit the top with that. So you don't want to miss out on these pieces. So we're just gonna do the same thing, back combing the crap out of them. Hairspray that a little, kind of crunch it. So this is what I would look like in the 80s. Literally so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I forgot to do an outro, but if you have gotten this far, do not forget to hit that subscribe button just right down below, like the video, and I hope you all have an amazing Halloween. Hopefully I'll have another video coming out before it's over, but I hope you really try this out for your Halloween look or any kind of 80s look if you're in the mood. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.